palms facing in, curl. Keeping your elbows in, short press. And down. Hands together, squat down, up, curl, and press. Right, now you can do this with one dumbbell or two. Nat's going to do it with two, I'm going to do it with one, unless one.
Right.
So, dumbbell either hanging or one in each arm. Hand, depending on how many weights you got, how much weight you got. There. Okay, so we're going from straight to fully bent and then kicking the weight up. Elbows on the floor, hands slightly wider, and we're going to fly in and fly out. Notice the way we've bent our elbows slightly at the bottom. It's not a locked arm position, and we want to keep the hands in line with a low chest.
Dumbbell curl.
Everybody's favorites.
I hope
Feet
so.
square, knees soft, tummy in. Opposite elbow to opposite knee with extended leg. Not too fast,